Working with NumPy array, then you have to know how to index and slice them properly. It makes life so much easier. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics of single and two-dimensional indexing, and then we'll try slicing and fancy indexing and even check out what happens in memory. We use this copy. By the end of this video, we'll slice the array like a pro. So follow along, let's dive into NumPy array indexing together. And hey, if it helps you out, like and subscribe would mean a lot.
Let's look on array indexing. Array indexing, okay, is how to pick an element from NumPy array. So here, look at this box. Here, the first element is present at the 0th position, and second element is at the first position, and so on. Let's look at this. Let's see this in code. I'm going to import NumPy as NP. Now, I have already created an array from 1 to 5 where I want to pick this element 2. Okay, for that we are going to use the index 1. So, A of 1. Let's run this. Yeah, we got the element 2. Now, think what is NumPy? NumPy goes further, which has a two-dimensional array and three-dimensional array, right? So now we are going to see about two-dimensional array. I'm already created two-dimensional array. Let's run this. Now, look at this box. Okay. Now I want to pick the sixth element. Okay. So the position is start from 0. Okay. Which means the sixth element is present at the first row and the column is second. Okay. So we have to mention first row, then column. Yeah. Which is A2, variable name. Okay. Now we got the element 6. Yeah. The next topic is slicing, which is an important topic in array indexing, which is used to get a multiple value out of an array or a list. Okay. Here is this index. It start, stop, and step, which is located in a square bracket. I have already created an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to pick this 2, 3, 4. Okay. The position of 2 is 0, 1. So it starts from 1. And it's end at this one you want 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You have to get plus 1. Add plus 1. Okay. So it ends 4. Now we got the element 2, 3, 4. Slicing always end at plus 1, okay. But it start at the initial value, initial one, okay. Now let's move on slicing in two-dimensional array, where you have to mention which row and which column. It start and end, okay. Here I have already created two-dimensional array for you. Now I want to get this top row, okay. For that, I have first mentioned the variable name A3. Now, we just start from 0. So we don't have to mention anything at start. Then we have to look at plus 1. I already said we have this one, the position is 0 plus 1. So it end at 1, comma. Now we have to mention which column it is. Okay. I want first row. So I want all the columns. Okay. So for that, I don't want the start and end, which is going to look all the columns in a NumPy. Yeah. Now we got it, right? So same thing. I'm going to give you an exercise to do. Give me the only middle column from all the array. Means now I want 20, 50, 80. Okay. Let's try this. If you face any issue, comment me. The next topic we are going to do is fancy indexing. Fancy indexing is like picking a specific position that you want. Okay. Now I'm already created an array which starts from 1 to 5. Now I want this 2 and 4. Okay, for that, what I'm doing is 2 is at 0, 1, first position, 1, comma. The next one is 2, 3. Yeah, we got 2 and 4. So this is multi-indexing, which is come under fancy indexing only. Then we can put something called condition here. Okay, this 2 and 4 is an even number. To find an even number, we use this, right? A module 2 double equal to 0. Okay, you have to put this condition inside a square bracket, and you have to add in it. Now run this. Yeah, 2 and 4. Okay, we got it right. Now, here we have another exercise to do. You have to find the middle data from the array. Okay, that is 3. You have to print the element 3. Now, so far we have seen the basic slicing, Boolean indexing, fancy indexing, and so on, right? But here there is a really important detail hidden under the hood, okay? That is memory management, okay? How the NumPy actually uh, storing this data, okay? That you need to be aware. First, we are going to use slicing, okay? Uh, Now we have already an array of 1 to 5. I'm going to slice a value a from 2 to 4. I'm going to store that in b variable. Okay. Now let's print this b and see. Before that, I want to change the first element value to 20. Okay. 20 and you see the b. So 20 and 4. So I want to show you one thing here. Okay. Uh, this b value, we have changed to only the b variable value. But I'm saying that these would affect this original array as well. I show you. Yeah. Here you can see, right, that the third 3 got changed to 20 because when you slicing this actual element, original array, it only uh, view that data and store that in B. But the memory actually located in the same place where A has stored. So why, while you changing a value in B, it affecting the original array. So now see in fancy indexing. Okay. Now I'm going to pick up some element 2 and 4 and assigning it to B. I'm changing the B first element to 20 and I have printed that. Okay. Now let's print an A and C. No. So here you can see that which is unchanged because while you doing a fancy indexing, it actually copy that value and saving that in new memory space. So the value, actual value is not changed. So and I have shown you another example that is a mixed indexing, which has a slicing and indexing. Here I have an two-dimensional array where I want to get all the row, okay, in which I want only the first one, okay. First index. Now I'm assigning this to B and C, B, and I'm changing the first position to 200, and I'm printing B again and see the output. Now the 20 got changed to 200. Now we print the A and see if anything changed. No, it's 20. It's unchanged, right? So you can see that mixed indexing, slicing with fancy indexing, are indexing, slicing with an indexing, are doing a fancy indexing is creating a new memory space, but slicing is actually viewing the original data. While you using an indexing and slicing in your actual project, you have to be aware of using this memory management one. That's it. Thank you for watching.